Hi! In front of me is Thomson TO13P, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Display section right away. Then select Advanced, click on Font Size, and swipe left or right on this slider to adjust it. When you finished, just go back. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!